Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about Max Olympiad model paper questions. Look at this first question. Geeta has 4,600,000 rupees. What is the worth of his money as per the Indian system of numeration? Given number is in international system. First you have to note what is the given number. 4,600,000. For 1,000 3 zeros are there, so you wrote this number. What they are asking, write it in Indian system of numeration. So in numeration, in Indian system we have first 3 digits, next for every 2 digits we put the comma, same number we wrote like this. So what is the answer we get? 46 lakhs. So option B is the correct answer. Next, look at the second question. Meenakshi bought 3 kg 80 grams of kiwi fruits, 4 kg 50 grams of apples and 4 kg 300 grams of grapes. Find the total weight of all the fruits she bought. So total is the given option. Hint. What is the given hint? Total. So in total means we have to add all the numbers what is given. So look at this. In kgs we have 3 digits, 3080 grams. Okay. So 3 kg 80 grams, 4 kg 50 grams, 4 kg 300 grams. When you add, you have to find the answer 11 kg 430 grams. So option C is the correct answer. Next, look at the third question. Which figure shows to its shaded part as a fraction equal to 2/5 of its whole? First look at what is the given fractions here. 3/5, 2/4, 4/10 and 2/4. This is the shading parts, but they are asking about the 2/5 of the whole. Means first which fraction is equal to the 2/5. So look at this. C option is correct. If 2/5 the given fraction, when you are multiplying with 2, 2 2's 4/10. This is the C bit fraction. So when we cancel this by 2, we get 2/5. So option C is the correct answer. Next, Komal has 47 animals in total. She has 10 dogs, 6 cats, 22 hamsters and the rest are fish. How many fish does Komal have? So dogs 10, 6 cats, 22 hamsters. Those are add. First we get 38. Total 47 is given. So subtract 47 minus 38. So rest of fish are 9. Okay. Next, look at the fifth question. A car can travel 130 kilometers in 2 hours. How much distance can travel in 8 hours? In two table where we get 8 4 times. So multiply 130 into 4. So 520 is the answer. Next, sixth one. Sanjana wants to draw a circle. Which instrument would you recognize it to have? Ruler. Only lines will draw. Set squares, triangles will draw. Protractor. Only D or angles we can draw. By using compass we can draw a circle. So option D is correct. Sarah has 384 pumpkin seeds. Neha has 490 pumpkin seeds. And Sarah gave her all the pumpkin seeds and 78 more pumpkin seeds. Then how many pumpkin seeds does Neha have in all? So first look at this. First Neha have 490. Sarah has 384. So Sarah gave to Neha 384 plus 78. How many? 460. Already Neha have 490. So Neha have total pumpkin seeds 952. This is the answer. Option D. Choose the correct numeral using XIVL. Here option B is the correct answer. XLVI. 15 bags contain 690 kg of rice. Find the quantity of rice in one bag. 15 bags contain 690 means division. So in one bag 46 kgs are there. Randy quickly estimated the product of 796 into 19 in the following manner. He rounded off the answer to the nearest hundreds. What was Randy's estimation? For first 796. What is the nearest number for 796? 100, 800. So 19, 20. So 8 to 16,000. So 16,000 is not given. So nearly 15,900 is the correct answer. So these are the first 10 questions in Olympiad. In next part I will explain next questions. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you for subscribe my channel. Please like it and comment it. Thank you.